All right, so let's talk about the fast path to $1 million. Oh my God, everybody says, I want to make $1 million. I want to make $1 million. Okay, well, oh my God, I'm going to make $1 million. I know how to make $1 million. I know how to make $1 million. I've done $1 million in a day. Now, but why? How do we do that? It's a process. It just doesn't just happen. Okay, so let's break that down a little bit. Let's say that you have something that, right now, you hear a lot of people talking about lead magnets or giving something away for free to get people on your list. I am going to tell you to stop that. If your stuff is good enough, don't give it away for free. Make sure that you value what you have. So let's say that we write a really good book. All right. I'm not talking about using artificial intelligence and GPT. No, I mean, you write a really good book about what it is that you have to offer. Let's say that you have this book. Okay. And let's say that you're going to price it at $20. You say, oh my God, Ruben, how about 99 cents? No. People that pay attention. You have good content. You have a good book. You're going to put a good book out there. All right. So now you have a book and now you're selling it for $20. In order to make that $1 million, oh my goodness gracious, you're going to have to sell 50,000 copies. Okay. To make $1 million. That's a lot of books. But guess what? Those same people that are buying your book, you can always have something in a funnel. That's what we call a linear progression of people coming through your website. They land on one page, they take a specific action, and then they're guided to the next action that they have to take. Now, let's say that you have your book. And out of that book, you can come out with a mini course, okay, so to speak, okay? So we got a book here, okay? So now we have a mini course of the content from the book, okay? And we're going to sell that for $200. Okay, guess what? That is the same people that you can make that offer to. Listen, you got the book. The book has this mini course that is attached to it. Some people are going to purchase it. Not everybody else will, but you can make that offer to them because it is congruent. Now, guess what? In order to make $1 million here, you don't need 50,000. If we take that zero from there and we put it here, now we only need 5,000 people to make $1 million. Now, isn't that interesting? Now we have this mini course. Now let's say that we have a high value course where we're actually going to give our prospects some kind of guidance and coaching and training. And then we take that $200 course and now we make it into a $2,000 product. So if we take that zero from there, we put it on here. Now we're down to 500 customers, 500 clients, okay, to make that $1 million. That's a lot easier. 500 clients is a lot easier than 50,000 clients buying your book. That is how you program. And you take your work from $20 to $200 to $2,000 product. And then you can even take it a lot higher than that. You can take it to, $20,000. Then you only need 50 people. Let's say that you have a high value, product that you price at 20,000. Okay. So now you only need 50 people to do the $1 million on your high value coaching program. This is how you can get to $1 million. The very first thing that you got to do is you got to write your book. Make sure that it is a really, really, really good book that has really, really good content. The results that your people are looking. What is that problem that you're solving? Give them instructions on how they can do that. Then break it down into a mini course. Then break it down into a coaching program. And then you can break it up into a done with you, done for you type of a program where people pay you more. So now you need less people in order to hit that $1 million mark. My name is Ruben, and I want you to think about that.